In the currency quadrant today, taking a look at the September British pound futures, which are now down 2 consecutive sessions, only down about 11 basis points on the close though, right around 136.24. The low down a little bit more than 1/4%, 136.02. Not much of a range today on the high side of things. We were up just short of 1/4%, up 22 basis points at about 136.42. We are now down 11 of the last 13 sessions, and the British pound just went through its worst week since about the week of June 14th. Now, the retail sales were released this morning, and they were much weaker than expected. July year over year headline retail sales in the UK came in at up 2.4% versus last month of up 9.2% and a forecast of up 6%. So missed across the board no matter how you look at it. Their ex-fuel, the numbers were even worse, up 1.8% versus last month's up 6.8% and a forecast of up 5.7%. So they missed across the board. We did have public sector net borrowing in the UK improve slightly, however, but not enough to save the pound for today. Again, it wasn't much of a range, but we did finish on the downside for the second consecutive session. Now, US rates also helped the dollar. We've had steady rates since the FOMC minutes came out this past week, and it was the best week for the dollar since mid-June as well. 10-year was lower, the 20-year is lower, the 30-year is lower on the week, but higher on the 2s, 3s, 5s, and 7s, which give us a little bit of a flatter yield curve. Now, normally that wouldn't strengthen the dollar, but it's predictive given where the U.S. is in this economic cycle, as well as fighting the Delta variant. The U.S. is still getting these inflows of funds into the U.S. dollar. Could be a little bit of a flight to safety. We'll have to wait and see over the next week or so, but really it ended up with the British pound being weaker for 2 consecutive sessions, down 11 basis points on Friday.